you want to do the quick shot at the end just so we have a record, and then maybe you have like a weekly, you think about it. It'll keep you honest, you know? I have a vlog and I gotta keep going because I did so much already. If I stop now, people are gonna be like, what the hell happened to the guy? I'm still here, Master Lukey. Hey! This was my very first branded recipe. It's called DINO scales. Now I can make anything. I'm what's called Life Food Certified. There's a little ribbon here. It's hard to see on this label. Master Lukey brand DINO scales. And this is a certification that nobody else has on Long Island. I made these because they're simple, and I wouldn't say they're as good as what a kid would eat, you know, because they have excitotoxic compounds in there that it's like they crave it, you know. This is healthy. There's nothing healthier. It doesn't say it on here. It's like the world's healthiest food. Superfoods, pumpkin seeds. I take the raw pumpkin seeds, I soak them in a distilled water that's been combined with a type of salt called Celtic, excuse me. Somebody on YouTube corrected me. It's called Celtic, not Celtic with a C. Celtic sea salt. I make the salt water, I soak these, and then I dehydrate them. Okay, now just very quickly, because we're gonna start our lesson now. The Celtic salt is dried by the sun. What they do is they comb it onto the beach. It doesn't go in a machine at all, like they have these machines that pull in the ocean water and it heats the water and you get, this is dried by the sun, the Celtic salt. So it has phytoplankton, living organism, it's called living salt. And then when I dehydrate these pumpkin seeds in the dehydrator, it only goes up to 120 degrees. So everything is still alive. This is what's called life food. And the enzymes, this is why I brought them for you. The enzymes in it digest fat. It's called lipase. If you're eating fat that's been cooked, you destroyed lipase. But this has your lipase right there. It's got a high fiber, high magnesium. It's good for your whole body, and high protein. So I hope you do you want to just say hi to the camera and then we'll come back. This is
thank you very much, Mr.
Ahmad.
Appreciate it.
And we'll be seeing you on future episodes, and you can let us know next week what you thought.
Thank you so much.
All right? And then like always, I'll just send you to masterlukey.com contact page if you have any questions. 24/7.